Hello guys, this is Hunter. In the previous tutorial, we implemented the delete method. This method. Okay, I made a mistake here and I called it delete. So it's okay. Call it whatever you wanna call it. I'll do mine as delete. You can call it delete record. Delete whatever name you wanna call it. In this tutorial, we'll wrap up the JDBC project. Okay, Java Database Connectivity project. What I'm going to be doing in this tutorial, I am going to go into my student controller, and in this main method, let's just go ahead and create a loop, and this is going to be a while loop, and it's going to be infinite. Okay, and then I am going to print out system.out. What we are basically doing here is that we are creating an application menu that will allow application to run infinitely without terminating. That is to say, for example, when I run it, it will print me a menu to whether I wanna asking me whether I want to insert a record, delete or remove a record, or update the record. Just that. Okay, that's what we are doing on this tutorial. Data print like this, and then please choose action from menu above. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this, paste it above here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is to put one is going to be insert. Okay, and then two is going to be update. Okay, like this. Copy this, paste it below. You also have read, and you also have delete. Okay, this will be 3, this will be 4. Right, read, delete, like this. Okay, and then let me skip a line, like this. Okay, I'm skipping a line. So I'm going to be using string, oops, and input equals to sc dot next int, like this. Okay, so let's run it and see. Oh, let me, sorry. Okay, let me just comment all this out. Okay, then we can go ahead and run it. Okay, so 1 is for insert, 2 is for update, 3 is for read, and 4 is for delete. Please choose from menu above. Okay, this is okay. I think, oh, we could can just take this and put it here. So I think it's better this way. Okay, Please choose from menu below one to insert to this. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm gonna do next is to switch this input, switch it. Okay. Then case 1. Okay. Case 1 is insert. So I'm going to call this action. Okay, let me rename it to something. This was insert, right? Yes. I'm gonna rename it to insert action. Rename it to insert action. Copy it. Then paste the function here. Right. Yep. Then case 2 to be update. So let's go back to our functions. This is the function. Okay. This is the function that we're going to be calling, and then break. Okay. Case 3. Case 3 is read. Okay, who is read? I get all. This is the function. Okay. Then we're going to paste it here. Invoke this method here. Then break. Okay. Case 4. We are going to be deleting. So this is our delete action. This is the delete action. Okay. The function that we're calling. Let's break. Default function will be break. Okay. System.out.print invalid action, invalid input, input. Okay. So yeah, I think our application is now ready to run. Let's rerun it. Okay, please choose from. I'm gonna be inserting 1, enter student name. Okay. How about this? Enter gender. Alright. Record inserted. There we go. Let's please choose from menu. Let's read. Good. There we go. We have Laxo, Mayor, Samuel, Mayor. Okay. Now let's go ahead and update the record that we inserted. So we're gonna choose 2. Enter student. Oh. Okay. Enter student name. Okay, we're gonna be changing Samuel to Sam. Enter gender to female. Okay. Enter student ID. Yeah, you wanna change this thread. Okay. Then boom, record updated. Now let's read again. 3. Okay, there we go. Sam, female. Okay. Now let's format it so that it will skip a line. So that it can skip a line, so that it becomes readable. After record updated, we skip a line. Okay. To do that, before I print this statement, let's go ahead and skip a line like that. Okay. Now it should be okay. It should be fine. Okay, let's go ahead and read. Okay, yeah, you see, we print out this, keep a line, and then print the menu again. Okay, let's insert again. One, enter student name, Java, Java. I'm gonna call it MMA. Okay, and then let's read again. Okay, there we go. See, there we go. Let's go to our database and see whether all these records are there. When we go to our database, we open our database table. We have these guys like so male, son, female, Java, male. Okay, I hope this is helpful, guys. I hope this is helpful. Okay, bye, guys. See you in the next tutorial.